everyone. Welcome back to Talk Café English, where learning feels easy, warm, and real.
Yeah, just you, us, a cup of coffee, and simple English conversations.
Exactly. Whether you're walking, relaxing, or just winding down after a long day,
This is your space to slow down and learn naturally.
tonight we're talking about something super useful: how to ask for directions.
Ooh, I need that. I get lost all the time.
Then this episode is perfect for you. Let's get started.
So, asking for directions, that means when I don't know where to go, right?
Exactly. Like when you're in a new city and can't find the cafe, the station, or the park.
Oh, that happens to me a lot, especially when I travel.
I know that feeling. Once I got lost in Paris and asked a street artist for help.
Really? What did he say?
He said, "Follow the music." I laughed, but it actually worked. There was a jazz cafe right where I needed to go.
That's such a cool story. I usually just end up walking in circles.
I've been there. That's why we're learning today. No more circles. Okay, let's start with the most common phrase. Say this. Excuse me, where is the?
Excuse me, where is the?
Good. You can say, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Or, excuse me, where is the bank?
Oh, easy. Excuse me, where is the coffee shop?
Of course you'd say that. Coffee first, directions later.
So, how do people answer?
They might say, go straight, turn left, turn right. It's near the park, or it's across from the school.
Across from. What does that mean?
It means in front of something, but on the other side of the street. Like, the cafe is across from the library.
Oh, so the cafe and the library are facing each other.
Exactly. You got it.
What if I forget left or right?
No problem. You can use your hands or just say, this way, and point. People will understand.
That's my favorite trick. Works every time.
Yep. But let's still practice so you don't need the pointing every time. Ready?
Ready.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
It's on the corner.
It's on the corner.
Near the park.
Near the park.
Great. Now you sound like a local. Let's make a short dialogue. I'll be the stranger, and you ask me for help.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Go straight, then turn left. It's near the park.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's easy, but sometimes people speak fast.
True. If someone speaks too fast, just say, can you repeat, please? Or, slowly, please.
Slowly, please. I like that one. I'll use it a lot.
It's polite and friendly. English speakers appreciate that.
You know, I once asked for directions in London. The man talked for like 2 minutes and I understood nothing.
What did you do?
I said, okay, thank you, and walked in the opposite direction.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I got completely lost, but found a nice bakery, so I guess it was destiny.
That's the spirit. Getting lost can lead to sweet places. Let's practice more examples for everyone listening. Repeat with us. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn right at the corner.
Go straight and turn right at the corner.
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
No, it's only 5 minutes walk.
No, it's only 5 minutes walk.
Good job. That's perfect practice for real-life conversations.
You know, I like learning English this way. No books, just talking.
Same here. Real conversation is the best teacher.
And this cafe, it's like a dream. The lights, the sound of the city.
I love it too. Look around. The sky is turning purple and you can see people walking home.
Yeah, it feels peaceful.
That's why we call it Talk Café. Good talk, warm hearts, and a little coffee magic.
You know, Mia, can we learn a few more direction words?
Sure. Let's add some new ones. Across from, in front of something on the other side. Next to, beside something. Between, in the middle of two things.
Oh, I like these. Can I try?
Of course.
The bank is next to the restaurant.
Great.
The cafe is between the bookstore and the flower shop.
Perfect. And the pizza place is across from my heart.
You mean it's across from your house, right?
Nope, my heart.
Oh, you're too funny, Ryan.
All right, let's give everyone a mini quiz before we end. Ready?
Let's go.
If I say go straight and turn right, where do you go?
Straight, then right.
Good. Now, it's next to the bank. What does that mean?
It's beside the bank.
Perfect. It's across from the school.
In front of the school on the other side of the street.
Excellent. You're a fast learner today.
You know, every episode I feel a bit more confident.
That's exactly the goal. English isn't just about grammar. It's about using it naturally.
Yeah, I used to think English was scary, but now it feels like fun.
That's the Talk Café spirit. We learn, we laugh, and we grow. One coffee at a time. So, before we say goodbye, let's review tonight's key phrases, okay?
Let's do it.
Excuse me, where is the?
Excuse me, where is the? Go
Straight?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
It's near the park.
It's near the park.
Next to, between, across from.
Next to, between, across from.
Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Excellent.
I feel like I could survive in any city now.
Just don't get lost in your own neighborhood again.
Hey, that was one time.
Sure. All right, friends. Thank you for joining us tonight at Talk Café English.
Yeah, grab a coffee, relax, and remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard.
You just need a little patience, practice, and positivity.
And maybe a map.
Yes, that too.
Thanks again, Mia.
Anytime, Ryan. And thank you to everyone listening. You're a part of our Talk Café family now.
Don't forget to follow and listen again next time.
We'll keep learning one cup at a time.
Have a peaceful night, everyone.
Sweet dreams and keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning.
Bye.
Bye.